Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring the updated task timer in Zoho Project, a critical tool that helps you track your project time effectively. Let's get started. First, you need to open your Zoho Project platform. Now, look for a task that you want to time track. This is important because the task timer can only start once you've selected a specific task. Next up, see the task timer icon on the right side of your task? Click on that. Immediately, the task timer starts ticking, capturing the time you're spending on the task. This helps us because it gives an accurate representation of how much time you're investing in each task, which is crucial for efficient project management. Now that we've done that, let's say you need to pause your task. To do this, click on the pause button. The reason we do this is to ensure we're only recording time spent actively working on the task, not idle time. This means you can take a break, answer a call, or attend a meeting without skewing your task's time data. When you're ready to resume your task, simply click on Resume. The timer will pick up right where it left off. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is noting the time you've paused and resumed, adding it all up for a comprehensive time record. After you've completed your task, hit Stop. This is important because it signals to the task timer that you're done with the task, and it stops adding time to your record. Finally, you can review the time you've spent on your task by navigating to the Time Log section. Let me explain why this matters. Reviewing your time logs allows you to see where your time is going, helping you to plan more effectively for future tasks. And that's it. You've now mastered the task timer in Zoho Project. Remember, effective time tracking is the key to successful project management. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.